Recently I biked the Kaikoura Trail on the east coast of the South Island of New Zealand. It takes you along the coast, through native bush, along rivers, and across backcountry roads while giving you picturesque views of the mountains. Watch this video to the end to learn 5 powerful ways on how to film a cinematic biking video as a solo creator. I used a GoPro Hero 10 to capture my cinematic video footage. Any GoPro camera will do because they're built to withstand tough conditions. They're shockproof, waterproof, freeze-proof, and small enough to even fit in your pocket. Their ruggedness makes them an ideal camera for shooting mountain biking scenes where a smartphone camera may not survive. The Smatree tripod allows you to get shots that you can't get when just holding your camera. It has a strong rubber grip, and you can even extend the feet at the bottom to hold up your camera. You can also extend it if you need more height. If you just want to use the tripod part of the arm, you can unscrew the bottom and just use that part. But I just want to film myself without holding the camera. I just set the tripod on the ground. I'll place a link to all my camera gear in the description below this video. The swivel clip is great for attaching your camera to the handlebars, to a tree limb, or even to your backpack. If you install a quick app on your phone, it allows you to edit, organize, and access footage from your GoPro and even your iPhone to make awesome videos. Capture contrasting landscapes to show the viewer what kind of terrain you're cycling through. On this trail, I captured ocean views, native bush views, scenic mountain views, and backcountry farmland views. Filming different camera angles will make your video more interesting to your viewers. Here's an overhead shot of the trees. Here's a point of view shot biking through the forest with the camera facing forward. Here's an aerial shot where I angle the camera to the top of the trees and then zoom in on the mountain bike. Here's a ground shot where I move the camera along the ground. Here's an aerial shot where I'm using the telescopic extension to film myself. Such a beautiful area, and you can see the beautiful Kaikoura Mountains over there. If you bring a tripod with you, you can film yourself in different situations as a solo creator. For example, I can film myself riding through the forest as I approach the camera. And I can film myself by riding away from the camera. And here's a shot of me taking a break from riding. Include some surprises in your video by adding unique or unusual shots, such as this one where I fell off my bike, or this one where I was swinging out over a pond. I was also able to capture these fur seals sunbathing on the beach, which are unique to the Kaikoura coast. Instead of just showing stunning landscape and terrain shots while you're biking the trail, try to tell a story about your adventure. It's a beautiful 70-degree morning, Kaikoura Coast, South Island, New Zealand, and I'm heading off on the 26-mile Kaikoura Trail with this mountain bike. And of course you can see the beautiful ocean there that'll be following along this coastal trail and into the forest. Adding background music to your video helps people stay engaged and encourages them to feel the emotions you're trying to evoke. It also adds to the entertainment value of your video. And next, if you want to learn how to make a cinematic hiking video as a solo creator, watch the video on the screen right now. You'll be glad you did.